The Miller 907757 Multimatic 220 welder offers exceptional versatility, allowing users to perform various welding processes including MIG, flux-cored, stick, and TIG with ease. Equipped with an intuitive interface and a vibrant 3.5-inch color LCD display, this welder simplifies the setup process, making it accessible for welders of all skill levels. The innovative QuickTech, AutoSet Elite, and ProSet features streamline the welding process by automatically adjusting settings, ensuring high quality and consistent results. Weighing only 56 pounds, this welder is highly portable, enabling users to take on diverse projects wherever needed without compromising on power. The multi-voltage plug provides flexibility by allowing the machine to connect seamlessly to both 120-volt and 240-volt power sources, as well as generators with at least 10,000 watts output. Included with the welder are essential accessories like the MIG gun, TIG torch, and heavy-duty foot control, providing a complete package for immediate use.